Hi guys, I just got a new guitar for my birthday, so I thought I might do a little unboxing video just to show it off. Here we go. Chapman guitars from the United Kingdom apparently, although it's almost certainly made in Korea. There we go, you get a nice hard case with it. Oh, let's get this out. Yeah, Chapman Guitars logo there. It's a pretty sturdy, decent enough hard case. Black hardware. And there we go. A thing of beauty. Chapman Guitars ML3 Pro Titan. Or Triton, sorry, yeah. So this kind of aquamarine finish, like stain on top of the wood. You can see the wood grain, you can even feel the wood grain. It's a Telecaster style guitar, which is something I've wanted for a while now. When I was growing up I never really liked the look of Telecasters, but in my old age, or my middle age let's say, I've started to like them. I bought this from Thomann. They added in a nice little sticker, vinyl sticker that I put somewhere. Let's get this out and take a look. That's beautiful. Bolt-on neck, the string through the body setup, Telecaster style bridge. I think it's got brass saddles. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be one of those synthetic nuts, I forget the name of them. And two single coil pickups, I think they're Chapman's own brand. Yeah, it's a maple fretboard. The actual body is swamp ash with a swamp ash top. And it's just generally beautiful. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, just inspected by such and such, whoever. It's a nice case, two little compartments. We've got some kind of cleaning cloth, I would say. Yeah. Just a pretty big cleaning cloth to wipe the guitar. And the caps for the strap locks. They've got these already installed, so you put a strap on it and then put that over it and it locks it in place so it's never going to move. A set of keys to lock the case. And then just a little thank you card with their website and all that kind of jazz. Yeah, so very happy. Right, so I'll have to do a proper review of this at some point after I've had some time to play around with it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check back next time.